Question 22. A positive integer is to be placed on each vertex of a square. For each pair of these integers joined by an edge, one should be a multiple of the other. However, for each pair of diagonally opposite integers, neither should be a multiple of the other. What is the smallest possible sum of the four integers? Now, smallest is key here. So what I've done is I've said there needs to be four positive integers. I'm going to say that A and B are diagonally opposite and C and D are diagonally opposite. And I thought about, could the adjacent numbers be the same? And it wouldn't, because otherwise the opposites would have to be multiples of each other, because if A is a multiple of C and these two numbers are the same, then D will also have to be a multiple, and this can't work. So we're looking at that smallest word. We need the smallest possible sum. So I'm going to go, well, actually, if A is 2 and B is 3, they are the smallest integers that are not multiples of each other. So C and D must be multiples of A and B. C must be multiple of A. D must be a multiple of A because they are next to each other. That's what the question says. But they are not going to be multiples of each other. So if they're going to be multiples of A and B, which are 2 and 3, then both C and D must be multiples of 6. And therefore we're looking at numbers on C and D that are going to be 6, 12, 18, 24. It actually can't be greater than that. It might be able to be greater than that. Let's see. So I'm going to try C is 6. The lowest possible, we're looking for the smallest possible number, but it's not possible because otherwise D, which also needs to be a number in this this list here, must also be a multiple of 6. So C is not possible. If we try C equals 12, then D could be 18 because 12 and 18 are not multiples of each other, and therefore we can add those four numbers together to get 35, and therefore the answer is D.